Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a multi-domain SSL certificate for the NXLog Platform UI using OpenSSL. The SSL certificate should cover all the subdomains associated with the NXLog platform. Thus, it should cover the platform.domain, auth.domain, agents.domain, and grafana.domain. Firstly, we will create an OpenSSL configuration named multidomain.con. I have edited the subject alternative names to reflect the DNS names that my platform on premises uses. In my case, my domain name is nxlog.example.com. Therefore, I have ensured to add platform.nxlog.example.com, auth.nxlog.example.com, agents.nxlog.example.com, and grafana.nxlog.example.com. I will save the file, and then run the OpenSSL command on the screen to generate the CSR and the private key. The next step is to sign the certificate using the relevant certificate authority. I will skip this step since it is outside the scope of this video. Once we have the signed certificate, we will copy the certificate and the private key to the machine where the NXLog platform was deployed, and then run the nxp-manage.sh command with the import cert option to import the certificate. Ensure the absolute path to the certificate and private key is provided, and follow the prompt to complete the procedure. Thank you for using the NXLog platform.